So you filed your court documents. What's next? Laurel Legal Services presents Serving a Defendant. Remember that the law often changes and each case is different. The information provided is meant to give you general information and not specific legal advice. Service is when the defendant is given notice of court proceedings against them, and it is required in all cases. Providing proper service ensures that all parties' rights to appear in court are not infringed so that proceedings can go efficiently and in accordance to the law. Proper service is when the defendant is served with all complaints against them and any relevant court documents in a location where they work, live, or have frequent contacts. In order for there to be proper service, the service must be done by an authorized service processor who is over the age of 18 and not a party in the case. There are multiple different types of service dependent on what state you live in. However, the two most common types of service are personal service and original process by mail. Valid personal service is when the server hands all complaints and filings directly to the defendant. If the defendant is actively avoiding service, the server may place the paperwork within the general vicinity of the defendant. Valid service by mail is done when all complaints and filings are mailed to the defendant through certified mail. Be sure to keep the green card that will be provided upon mailing filings as proof of service. After service is complete, an affidavit will need to be filled out. There are different types of affidavits for the different types of service. The process server must sign the filled out affidavit. The affidavit will then be used to certify that the defendant had adequate knowledge of the proceedings prior to any hearings. For more information on how to fill out an affidavit form, check out our video, Filling Out an Affidavit of Service.